Why are you trying to steer left? But he jumped over it and kind of ripped off one of my... Like that! Where you backflip on my car. Where's my clip? You spun away my clip and the retainer. Right.
Nice. Let's have a go at flipping on my car. Because, you know, I ain't got no steering. Let's have a go.
I can literally use your car as a ramp.
It's really good as a ramp.
It's because my wheels hit your... That time, it sort of drove over it.
It's so far it's easier, I swear. Is it just me?
It flipped it over.
Yeah, go.
You have a wheel? Literally just went to self-right and your wheel ran away.
Oh, is it snapped? It is, isn't it? Oh.
Yep, it snapped it.
It's snapping.
That's a bad point on this truck as well. Because these are brittle.
Yeah, they just keep snapping.
Your nut ain't in there though, this time. These nuts. So you got a dead servo, all bearing in mind you knew it was crap when you put it in, and now this is snapped.
God's sake.
It's not even on there properly.